Let's take a look at this problem. We got secant theta is equal to negative 4 square root of 7 over 7. And tells us cosecant theta is greater than 0 and want us to find sine 2 theta. Well, let's first look at our formula. Sine of 2 theta is going to equal to 2 sine theta cosine theta. So it looks like we need sine theta and cosine theta. Okay. Well, first off, let's talk about quadrants. Secant. Secant connects to our x value. So they're basically saying x is negative. Because remember, secant is r over x, and r is always positive. So they're saying x is negative, which is right here and right here. Now, cosecant is greater than 0. Cosecant connects directly to our y, so it's saying y is positive, which is this quadrant and this quadrant. So where they're both true is quadrant 2. So that's what we're dealing with. Keep in mind in quadrant 2, the x values, they're negative, and the y values are positive. Okay. First off, secant. Secant is equal to 4 square root of 7 over negative 7. Why did I put it in that form? Because remember, secant is r over x. And we said x has to be negative, so I need a negative down there. Plus, r cannot be negative. Well, we got x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. We need to find our x, y, and r's. X we said was negative 7 plus y squared is equal to 4 square root of 7 squared. That gives us 49 plus y squared equals, and we're going to square the 4. So we got 4 squared and the square root of 7 squared. So we got 49 plus y squared is equal to 16 times 7. So that gives us 49 plus y squared equals 112. 6 times 7 is 42. 2 carry the 4. Yeah. Okay. And then take the 49 over. So we've got 112 minus 49. So we've got y squared is equal to 63, I think. Yeah, 63. Okay. Then square root property, we drop our squared. Put a plus or minus square root on the other side. 63 is 3 times 3 times 7. So then we've got a pair of 3s, so we'll bring that out. And that gives us plus or minus 3 square root of 7. In quadrant 2, we said y is going to be positive. So y is equal to 3 square root of 7. Okay, now we have what we need for finding sine theta and cosine theta. Now sine theta is equal to y over r. So that's going to be 3 square root of 7 over r, and r is 4 square root of 7. Cosine theta is equal to x over r, and x was negative 7 over r, which is 4 square root of 7. Now notice I'm not trying to simplify this at all. You probably don't want to do that at this point. Oh, wait a minute. This one I probably do, but maybe not. Let's plug them in. So sine theta is going to be 3 square root of 7 over 4 square root of 7. And cosine is negative 7 over 4 square root of 7. The reason why I said you probably don't want to simplify at least this one right away is because we're going to see something nice happens here. 2 times 3 is 6, times negative 7 is negative 42, square root of 7. Down below, 4 times 4 is 16, and square root of 7 times square root of 7 just gives us 7. Now 42 and 16 I can simplify. They're both divisible by 2 at least. So that gives us negative 21 square root of 7 over 8 times 7. 21/7 I can reduce. That's negative 3 square root of 7 over 8, I guess, because that disappears. Because 21 divided by 7 gives you the 3. Sometimes when using these formulas, you might want to just plug them back in. If you see that you're taking sine times cosine and you got square root of 7 times square root of 7, it handles itself. Then you don't have to worry about the radical being in the denominator. But that would be our answer.